Here's a pair of the Oakley Meta smart glasses. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these without using the app. Okay, we can reset these directly from using the capture button right here. So let's factory reset these. So first thing is make sure that they're turned on. Okay, let me turn it off here, and I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to slide it towards the lens. Now it's on. Now the right arm here, I'm going to go ahead and close it. Now you can see this LED light here. All right, capture button is here. Go ahead and click 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get a little orange light now, and then it turns green, and now press and hold. Press and hold the capture button. Now keep holding until the light turns back on. So still holding. Okay, now it's blinking. White, orange, white, orange. Now just wait here. Now it's blinking white. The factory reset is in process now. It's going to take about 30 seconds, all right? So we're just going to wait, and then it's going to turn to a different color. It's coming. It's almost done. Okay, now it's green. Now it's going to turn off, all right? Now it just turned off. Factory reset is done. And now if you just wait a little bit longer, it's going to start blinking blue. It's back into pairing mode. Now, the thing is, if you're going to set it up back to the same device, you have to make sure you go to settings and then just go to your Bluetooth, and you have to unpair or basically delete it out of your pairing list, okay? So these Oakleys, okay, mine are right here, and I'm on an iPhone, okay? So let me tap on that I, and I'm gonna forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it'd be like unpair, and there you go. Pretty simple. Now I can connect back to this phone, or I can sell these.